Morning, students. We have seen till now all the laws, all the formulas, and some methods of the integration. Assumption T we had seen in the last class. So today we can see the few examples regarding that. So look at. We have a question. Example number 6. I is equal to sine cube x cos square x dx. I am going to tell you a method also. Look at the pattern of the question. Sine to the power odd and cos to the power even. So make a type of integration when sine and cos are coming together with odd and even power. What you have to do? What you do, student, you separate to the odd power into different powers. Sine cube x, make a sine with a one power and separate it and write the rest power here. Sine square into sine is equal to sine cube. Always write a single power term here and separate the term having the odd power. Cos per x will be same. Now you remember the assumption method, T method, meaning substitution method. Sin x dx will help you to identify to which you have to consider as a T. Look at sin x dx comes after the differentiation of cos x. Cos x have differentiation minus sin x. So we will consider cos x equal to T. So look at the rest terms which cos x already here, but it is not cos. So first I will turn to that sine square x in cos. So sine square x equal to 1 minus cos square x. Sine square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x, and this is only cos square x and this is sine x and dx. Now you student let cos x equal to T because sin x dx will come after doing the differentiation of cos x. So cos x equal to T you assume minus sin x dx and equal to dt. You remember the short method, in between two terms I dropped, you remember the words also. So cos x have a differentiation minus sin x, also write dx equal to dt, and you need only sin x dx. So you transfer to minus sine that side, minus dt will be there, and afterward your answer will be, this whole term will be written minus dt. This is 1 minus cos square x is equal to t square, and this is actually cos x equal to t. So it is t square, it is t square, like that. What to do now next? This minus you multiply in the bracket, it gonna be t square minus 1 into t square into dt. Now what to do, you know, just multiply to t square inside the bracket, it gonna be t4 and t square. Now we have a two simple question coming, t to the power 4 and t to the power 2, and it's the integration. So t to the power 4 have an integration, t to the power 4 have an integration, t5 upon 5 and t square have integration 3 upon 3 and plus c. And lastly you guys put t equal to cos x. So it's gonna be cos x whole power 5, cos x whole power 3 and only c. This is the answer of this question. Okay student, let me explain something. That whenever sine and cos are coming together, sine and cos having an odd and even power, you always separate or split to odd power in two different power with one power and rest power. Sin x dx is coming here, which actually give us the indication to which you have to consider t. That sin x dx will come after assuming cos x equal to t. So turn all the terms in the cos x. So it is a cos and it is not cos. So turn in cos. And then assume cos x equal to t and get your answer like that. Okay. If you supposed to have this question with, suppose it is coming 3 and it is coming 5. So it's a odd and odd. So let me explain something. We have a two type of question. odd even and odd odd, and even we don't have a pattern, so we won't focus on that. We have a two kind of question which is actually not mentioned and stated in your book specially, but I am telling you specially that sin and cos coming together, whenever they are coming together in multiplication sign, when both have a odd power or both have a odd and even power, like that. So what to do? So in this question particular, what we will do, we will separate again the smallest power. So definitely sine cube is small power. So we separate in single power and the rest power. This is a trick. And you know that we need a sin x, so we have to consider cos x equal to t. So it is a cos but it is not cos. So we will convert this in cos, 1 minus cos square x. 1 minus cos square x equal to sin square x. Already cos 5 is there and sin is dx. And now I am not telling you, because what to do, assume cos x equal to t. So minus sin x dx will be dt and the sin x dx will be minus dt, as same we did in last question. So 1 minus t square and t5 will come, multiply to t5 in the bracket and do the integration. And in lastly put t is equal to cos x and got answer. So this is a method. Please keep remember and specify the type also in your copy before doing this. How to write the concept? You can write like that. Whenever this is a particular type we have learned, whenever sine to the power m and cos to the power n are coming. So first case, when m and n both are odd, first case odd, and second when one of m and n are odd and other is even. So one odd, one even, and both are odd. We have seen both kind of condition. So keep remember them also. Okay, let me rub it out. And let me tell you one more question. Suppose sine to the power, alone sine and cos are coming with an odd power. Especially I am telling you odd, we have an even also concept, and this question definitely will be coming in the further of the exercise. Sine to the power 3, sine to the power 5, sine to the power 7, sine to the power 9. Even with cos, all questions you can say cos to the power 3, cos to the power 5, and so on so on. So when odd power is coming individually with sine and cos, so how to deal this? Look at same sentence I would speak, that separate in two terms, that sine cube, first sine x, one power and rest power. Very simple thing. One power and rest power. And what to do now? You need sine x dx anyhow, then you have to consider cos x equal to t, so that you can get sine x dx after doing the differentiation. So you have to consider cos x, but you don't have a cos x. So create the cos x by changing sine square x as a 1 minus cos square x, sin x dx, and then let cos x equal to t, cos x equal to t minus sin x dx, do the differentiation, turn to minus, transfer to minus their side, and I equal to, you have a sin x dx equal to minus dt, and this is 1 minus cos x in t square. Then transfer, multiply to minus inside the bracket, you will get this one. And then t square have an integration t cube by 3, and 1 have integration t plus c. You know it with respect to t, it is a t cube by 3 and t. And lastly put t is equal to cos x and get your answer. So this is the way of doing the question. Okay, so this is a way. When the question will come, definitely I will discuss later. But initially I have given you an idea that how we can deal this question. So look at, we have another example 6 I was doing. First I have done, and now I am telling you the second question. Sorry, I is equal to, we have a sin x upon sin x plus a. Look at the question. How to deal this question. This is sin x upon sin x plus a. Let me speak frankly that integration is not so easy. Actually, it is first, it is not the independent method. Second, it has a particular method. You are not having lots of option to do. You not having lots of option to think that it actually carrying a particular method, and you have to go through this method. If you are not knowing the method, you definitely can't solve this. So okay, look at the question and particularly try to remember the question. How to do this? It is x only, and it is x plus a. So I will try to create x plus a in the numerator, and then what will happen, you can see by your own, that sine of this x, I'm writing x as x was an angle, I'm writing x plus a minus a. What I've done, one more things which you like, I think better. We have one another matter, I think you like that. You only consider x plus a as a t. I think it is better to you. You only follow this method. Ignore the last one. I think that whenever you need to keep remember something, definitely doubt, always remain doubt, because you can't keep remember the thing since till the long time. But this is a simple method. X plus a is equal to t. Now do the differentiation. Differentiation of x is 1 and a is a 0. So only 1 remaining, and we write dx. So 1 dx. Differentiation of x is 1, a is 0, and we used to write dx equal to dt. It means only dx equal to dt. So okay, now I will try to turn the whole of the terms in t. So dx is equal to dt. Okay, I will write dt upon sine of, that is t. You consider t, and this is sine x, sine. But you don't have to write the term of the x because you're changing in t. So whatever you considered now, take out the value of x from here. So x will be t minus a, and put instead of x, it's a t minus a. So sine of x is equal to t minus a, write it sine t minus a upon sine t. And now what to do, students? Sine a minus b uses sine a minus sine a, cos b, cos a, sine b. That's simple. Upon sine t dt. Now separate the term. This by this, this by this. When you write this by this, sine t cancel, cos a remaining. And when this by this will come, cos t by sine t is cot t. Cot t sine a dt. Now change this, separate to the integration in two parts. Cos a dt minus cos a dt minus cos t sine a. Sorry, cot t sine a dt. Like that. Separate integration with respect to t it is. Okay. What to write? Cos a is a constant value. So will come out. Only dt remaining. Sine a will come out. It's a constant value. And cot t will be remaining. What is the integration of dt? Like dx. So dx have a integration x. So dt have integration t. Sine is sine a. And cot t, you remember cot x. What is the integration of cot x with respect to x? Log sin x. It already I have done the derivation of all the formulas in the last class. So I think you have seen it, you have observed it. This is a formula of cot x, log sin x. So cot t is log sin t, log sin t, and plus c. This is a formula and applied in the form of t. So only lastly you have to put the t is equal to x plus a. So put t is equal to x plus a cos a minus sin a log of sin, instead of t put x plus a plus c. You can leave your answer right here. One more change you can make. What? Multiply to cos a, x cos a plus a cos a minus sin a log of sin of x plus a plus c. One more thing which is actually very important, when you will check your answer from the back of the book, you will not feel that the answer is not matching with the answer which is given in the back of the book. Why? Because it is a cos a. Look at it, is a cos a and it is a c. And here it is looking, both are looking constant. Why it is constant? It doesn't carry any variable, so it's constant, and it is again a constant. So you can write all the constant as a one constant, like x cos a. You don't write that. Sin a log of sin of x plus a, instead of a cos a plus c, you can write new constant c1, and that is a valid answer, which is actually same as the answer what given in the back of the book. So this is a way of doing the questions. Not a tough, but it's a practice thing only. Okay, let me wrap it out now. I'm telling you the next example. These are all very important examples actually. Look at one more thing. Question number third of the sixth, I equal to 1 upon 1 plus 10x. This is again very important question. And let me speak frankly, student, one thing. Whenever I will tell you any question, lots of option I will tell you that what kind of question may come. So in very first question I taught you sine to the power m and cos to the power n, when m and n both may be odd, or one is odd, one is even. In this question I have a more option to tell you. Instead of plus, minus can come, 1 upon 1 minus 10x. Instead of 10, cot can come, 1 plus cot, 1 minus cot. Okay, and how to deal this question? Look at, I tell you that write that tan as sine by cos. Again I would speak very same thing, that all question carry a particular method. So keep remember, because you know it is not so easy as you feel in differentiation. It was independent method. Whatever the question in front of you can try just by doing the differentiation. But in this case, if you not knowing even the term that you have to turn tan x equal to sine x by cos x, if you don't know this, you can't solve further. So please do the practice. Okay. Now take an LCM. It's a cos x plus sine x, and cos x will transfer that side only. So let me speak frankly one more thing, student. Question may come like that. Even question is given in this format, but may possible that question comes like that: cos x upon cos x plus sin x, cos x upon cos x minus sin x, sin x upon sin x plus cos x. So sin x upon sin x minus, all can come. So also keep remember, here tan and cot can come, here in the form cos cos sin, cos cos minus sin, sin sin cos, and something like question may come. So if this is a question, so how to deal this question? Look at, it's a particular method. You have to divide by 2 and multiply by 2. This is particular. Do the practice as possible from your side. Do multiply and divide by 2. And why I did so? Look at the steps. This is 2 cos x. I will include sin x in the numerator so that it is balanced. How to include sin x? Look at, I tell you. This is cos x plus sin x, and this is cos x minus sin x. Look at carefully. Look at carefully, and this is only cos x plus sin x. I subtract sin x and add sin x. Actually, it is balanced. Cos x plus cos x, 2 cos x, and sines and cancel. You have a balanced thing. Why I did so? Because in the denominator we already having sine and cos. So I did create here. I created sin x from my side, so that I multiply and divide by 2, so it could be make 2 cos x, so that I could write cos plus cos and include sin plus sin and minus sin. Now you can separate the term. Look at the thing. I will separate the term. What will come? Cos x by sin x, and this gonna be 1. This is gonna be 1. And this is cos x minus sin x upon cos x plus sin x. This is the term. Now what to do? You separate the integration with 1 by 2 multiplying. You will get this term. Now student, you can simply integrate 1 dx is x. Now how to deal this question? You consider the t, its denominator. You consider t, its denominator. Till now you have known the method of substitution. When you consider t, what to do? Denominator equal to t, cos x have a differentiation minus sin x have a differentiation cos x. Used to write dx equal to dt, and one major thing is that cos x minus sin x dx is the same as a numerator. Look at, now what to do? This is 1 by 2, this is x plus 1 by 2, this whole from cos x minus sin x dx, cos x minus sin x dx equal to dt. So you will write dt here instead of all, and instead of cos x plus sin x, what you are going to write? T. And the answer is x by 2 plus 1 by 2 and 1 by t. It is not dt by t. So 1 by t dt, and 1 by t have an integration log t. Log t, so write log t plus c and put in the value of t lastly. 1 by 2, what is a t? You considered cos x plus sin x here. So write cos x plus sin x here plus c, and that's the answer of the question. So what a beauty in this question, you have to remember multiply and divide by 2. So when is the question coming in tan or cot? If supposed to have a cot here, so what to do? You will change cos by sin. So definitely after taking LCM, sin plus cos and sin will go upside. Then multiply by 2 sin x will come here. Same method. That time you have to engage cos. So students, it's not tough, but it's a practice thing only. You can till now have understood the value of the practice. As much as you will do the practice, you will be in profit. Otherwise, you will be in trouble, definitely. So integration is not so easy. Okay, let me tell you one or two more questions. Okay, we have come on the exercise 7.2. Exercise 7.2. We have a 37 question. And believe me, all question depends on the consideration of t, to which you have to take the t. And the questions can be done very easily. Okay, let me tell you, even first question. I know that very first question is not very important. Still, what I am telling you, I am trying to tell you, look at. A student, you try to learn to which you have to consider t. See the question, you will see 1 plus x square is coming in denominator. When you will assume this is t, this is 1 plus x square equal to t. Now, doing differentiation, you will get same as the numerator. Like 1 have a differentiation 0. So x square have a 2x dx, and dt, t have a dt. And then I is equal to, it is fortunately 2x is coming, 2x dx equal to dt, and upon side it is a t. The question gonna be 1 by t, its integration is log t plus c, and put your t is equal to 1 plus x square and get your answer. So this is all to which you have to consider t. If you know, you can do it. So question number 2, it is coming log x square upon x dx. This is a very simple question. What to assume t? Definitely log x I will assume t, because the differentiation of log x is 1 by x. So don't take power 2 as a t, only take log x is equal to t, because the differentiation of log x is 1 by x, and you used to write dx and dt. So what will happen? 1 by x dx is equal to dt, and this is log x is equal to t square, and then answer is t cube upon 3, because integration of t square is this one, and put your t and get your answer. This is answer. So nothing in this questions, you can understand that suppose the question is coming, third one, suppose I equal to 1 x plus x log x, log x. So what to do? This is very simple. Take out x common first, and 1 plus log x is coming here. So I don't think it's a trouble. The question was a log x and 1 by x coming. Here is also log x and 1 by x is coming. So if you admit me now, you don't take only log x as a t. Take also 1, because you know that the differentiation of 1 is a 0. So you can take 1 together. 1 plus log x equal to t. Assume that t. This is 0. Log x have a differentiation 1 by x dx equal to dt. And guys, equal to 1 by x dx. Look at 1 by x dx is equal to dt. And 1 by, this was a t. And your answer is 1 by t, have integration log t plus c, and put your t is equal to 1 plus log s and get your answer. Okay, so I close my lecture today right here. But tomorrow I will provide you one PDF of the only helpful things only. Actually, what I want to provide to you, the consideration to which you have to consider t. Only a one page in which it will be written that to which you have to consider t question wise. Definitely it will help you more. See that the video as well as the PDF, and please solve the question as possible from your side. Thank you.